Hello my gingerbread and jelly bean, welcome back to an episode of JVLOGS. Guys, it's been a while again. I know you guys enjoyed the last videos that I did when I went to Jamaica. I still have one more vlog to do when I'm in Jamaica going to Mystic Mountain. But guys, I've been tired. Working 6 days a week, it ain't easy. Most of you know that. Most of you are hardworking people that watch this video. So you can understand working 6 days a week, getting 1 day off. You don't want to do anything. You don't want to go anywhere. So it's rough. It's rough, and as you know, YouTube is a full-time job. So it's hard to have a full-time job in the physical world and then come, you know, on this digital platform and put in that time and effort. So it's kind of hard. And yeah, YouTube don't really pay the bills. So YouTube don't pay the bills at all. I don't make much on YouTube, couple $2 and cents and couple, but anyway, we digress. So this video today is pertaining to the video that I did about the Jamaican passport and application process. I realize that a lot of people have been having issues with applying for their Jamaican passport online, and these are adults, just like the first video. I'll try to pin it somewhere here, the link, so you can see that. A lot of people is doing it online now. They understand that they can do it online, and they're doing it online now, which is good, because that is the reason why it was made by the government of Jamaica. However, a lot of people have been messaging me saying that, hey Mark, I did my application a few months ago. I haven't heard anything. I did my application. My photo got messed up. So in today's video, I want to give some advice on that and what you can do going forward if you're watching this for the first time before you did the application, to ensure that your process is as smooth or even better than mine or better than everybody else's. Jamaican government is very strict when it comes on to passport photographs. That's one of the main issues I see with people. The passport photograph is being messed up. My suggestion is getting it done by a professional. What I mean by professional, I don't mean CVS, I don't mean Rite Aid. However, if a person in the Rite Aid or a CVS don't have a digital camera, like an updated digital camera with zooming lens, I'm not talking about those little cheap camcorders that you buy and they're disposable and stuff like that, that they be using, that literally don't show anything. It's lean, it's people have shadow in their thing. I'm talking about get your photograph, your passport photograph, professionally done. Do not smile in the Jamaican photograph. The Americans, you can do anything that you want. You can freestyle, you can come in a jacket and hoodie. Jamaicans, no. Round neck, not even V-neck, round neck. Certain colors you can't take it in. So do it at a professional establishment. It won't be that expensive. The most you pay is like $20, and you'll get digital copy and physical copy of your passport photograph, and then you upload that to the terminal. Ensure that your email is correct. Ensure that your email is correct. Follow up with a passport immigration, pick up passport immigration, citizenship, passport immigration citizenship agency, pick up. Use email, use Twitter. Be decent in your messages. Don't be angry. It's a government. It's a government. Things move much slower in the government compared to private sector, or you running a mama or pop where you can go to the mama and pop store and say hey, or call a mama and pop store. They communicate via email, so most likely they'll reach out to you via email. So ensure that you check your email, check your spam, check your trash bin. Ensure that you communicate and be clear. Ensure that you follow the instruction, because a lot of people tend to not follow the instruction. They leave off something off it, and then it will, you know, extend the wait time of you getting back your passport. Also, our next advice, if your passport expires in August of this year, do not wait until August to renew your passport. You think you can renew your passport 6 months before. try to renew your passport ahead of time before you need to travel or before it has expired, so you have a new passport in hand just in case you have an emergency or anything that you need to leave. Don't wait until the passport expires, then 2-3 years later you're trying to renew your passport. Try to renew your passport, be proactive and try to renew your passport in time. Again, follow the instructions properly. Ensure that you restart your computer, clear the memory, ensure that you follow the steps. Take your time, go through the steps, get the passport done properly, get proper passport photograph and upload it to the system. If not, it won't be accepted, and then you'll have to send physical. You have to, instead of the digital copy being uploaded and your passport getting to you in X amount of time, you will have to mail these documents to Jamaica, which might take a while. The Jamaican post office is not as efficient as American post office. Things take longer in Jamaica. Things take a while to get to Jamaica. So you'll be on a waiting list pretty much. So ensure that you take the advice, follow these things down to the T, and get it done properly. I hope this video helps. If you have any question, you can reach out to me in the comment. You can message me on social media. All the social media information is at the end of the video. And just, live, laugh and grow, enjoy life, and, stay safe, people. Mark Plunkett, I'm out.